Hey guys, welcome to session 4 of Linux System Administration Intermediate Level. As always, I am your instructor Kevin Downs. In today's session, we're going to be going over troubleshooting the system. Last session, we went over backup concepts and strategies, user backups with the tar command, system backup options, the xfs dump and xfs restore commands. Today, we're going to be going over common problems in systems, troubleshooting steps, repairing general boot problems, repairing the Grub2 bootloader, hard drive problems, restoring shared libraries, and system logs in rsyslogd. Let's start off with common problems and symptoms. So sometimes we're going to have distribution problems, and the best thing to do to look at for those is to look at some bootloader issues. We can also have hardware problems. And for that, we would probably need to check the mounting devices on the system, such as the hard drives or FS tab. We also have network issues sometimes. That can be a bad network configuration, so you'll need to check the configuration files and networking scripts. We can also have software problems, and this can be caused from bad installation, storage problems, or path problems. So here's a simple checklist of items to look into. First, we can check, is your web server installed? Is it running? Is the syntax of your web server configuration files correct? Are the ports you configured open? As in, are they not blocked by a firewall? You can also check to see if your DNS settings direct you to the correct place. And does your document root point to the location of your files? Is your server serving the correct index files? Are the permissions and ownership of the files and directory structures correct? Are you restricting access through your configuration files? If you have a database backend, is it running? Can your site connect to the database successfully? Is your web server configured to pass dynamic content to a script processor? Okay, so those are some common problems and symptoms, guys. And then a quick checklist you can follow to see if something's wrong with your web server.